What's up, you guys? It's your girl, The Short Side, and I'm back with another video for you all today. It's wash day! So, it's wash day, and I'm here to share what my wash day looks like. I know for some naturals that can be an all-day affair. I myself am a part of the Lazy Girl Natural Club, but I've had my hair in these mini braids for about 3 weeks now, and so I'm about to go ahead and take them out and then show you all my wash day routine. So stay tuned. Hey you guys, so this is what my hair is looking like fresh out of the mini braids. And so you're gonna see me begin to section my hair off. I know you see some of that buildup on my edges. That does come from me wearing a lot of edge control while I'm in my braids. And so I've sectioned off that back section, and I'm going to just section it off again into a smaller subsection. And I'm going to go ahead and just pin that other half of the section off to the side. So I'm going to take some coconut oil. I got this jar from Trader Joe's, but to be honest, I kind of just fill up the coconut oil from the kitchen with a spoon, you know, very clean-like, and just so I don't have to keep buying it. And I'm going to put that on my hair starting at the ends and just make sure all of my strands really get saturated. And then you're going to see me begin to finger detangle. And so when I finger detangle, I like to really pull apart each strand. I really only finger detangle. I don't really use a lot of combs and brushes on my hair, except for the brush that you'll see a little bit later. Other than that, I really just prefer to finger detangle. It just feels a lot safer for my hair. And so again, you're gonna see me just pull apart at those strands just to get them unclunked together, and just looking out for single strand knots. And then I start from the ends, and I just comb out all the hair that may be in my hair. It's actually really good to detangle your hair before you get in the shower. It cuts down on time tremendously, and it just makes your washing in the shower just a lot easier, rather than trying to get all your hair detangled before you even get in the shower. And so again, you're just going to watch me start from the ends of my hair to just make sure I'm getting all of the free strand of my hair out, because my hair was in braids for 3 weeks. And so I know a lot of shed hair can come from that. I kind of just sped it up for y'all just to kind of spare y'all so it wouldn't be at regular pace. But you just want to continue to detangle your hair until you can get all of the, loose hair out. And this is all the hair that came from that little section. So I have plenty of sections to go. So you see I'm going to twist up my hair and go on to a new section. I tried to make it better, make it through this weather. Oh yeah, but you didn't want to see. So I'm coming up on the last section of my hair, and so I'm just going to show it for you all one more time closer up. So I'm just separating all of my strands and finger detangling. I know it looks a little rough, but I promise, my hair is not breaking off or anything like that. You see I get a single strand knot here, and I just really take my time to get those single strand knots out, because you can rip your hair out if you're not careful. And we're just gonna continue to detangle it out and start from the ends and go all the way up to the top. Don't think it's purposeful what we doing. Is we cruising or we ruin? Is we screwing or you choosing? Please just let me know, cause if I
I gotta pack my bag and hit the door, man, I promise I'll never look back at this shit. You got the old Agony back in this bitch. You blocked and ignored me, I started recording. When I put this out, you'll get credit for this.
I do have my hair in 12 sections. That's just a lot easier for me to detangle my hair in smaller sections, only because my hair is so thick. There's just no way I can finger detangle my hair in any larger sections than the ones that they're in right now. And so as I twist to the end of my hair, I will say that I do consolidate those sections. And so instead of having 12 sections, I'm going to wash my hair in about 8 sections because I still don't want the sections to be too big. This is what my hair is looking like after a great pre-poo detangling section. So everything looks nice and full. This is how much shed hair I had when I was finished detangling. So it's not a lot, but as much as expected for the detangling process after a protective style. So now I'm gonna hop on over to the shower. So the first thing I want to do when I get in the shower is section off my hair again to keep some of the twist out of my way. And I am gonna go ahead and start with my first section of hair. So I still have the coconut oil in it, and I'm just gonna rinse that coconut oil out and then begin to detangle with my brush. So one of my close friends got me this brush for Christmas. As you can see, the little combs separate for an easier detangling process. And you'll see that it's really easy for me to detangle my hair because of the pre-poo and detangle that I did before, and the water and just the flexibility of the brush. And so this brush has really helped cut down my wash time tremendously. And I'll ask my friend to give me the link so I can include it in the bio below. So we're twisting up my section by section, and I'm just gonna go through and get my hair combed through so that I can begin washing. I just went ahead and skipped to the front because I felt like y'all had a good gist of what I was doing. Okay, so I'm gonna show it for y'all again in the front section. Be careful when taking out those twists. Sometimes they'll get tangled up. So that's my hair with the coconut oil on it, and I rinse that out a bit, and I go through with my brush and comb it out. As you can see, it's really easy to detangle through my hair. I'm telling y'all need to get on that pre-poo before y'all get in the shower. It helps out so much.
I'm just trying to make you comfortable. Take your time, I'm not rushing you. Couple drinks have you touching me. Now I'm touching you. Now what's for us to do? Late night conversations, talk about our future kids, talk about vacations, problems that you facing, I can help you deal with, never have you waiting, got you coming real quick. And baby, I'm
as I stated before, I did go ahead and consolidate those sections. So now we're at 8 sections, and that is all this hair that I had from detangling after I got in the shower. And so I'm gonna go ahead and begin to shampoo. This is my Cactus Beauty Bar black soap shampoo, and I love this shampoo, you guys. I've been using it for a while. It does have tea tree oil and peppermint in it, which I really love for my scalp that can be prone to like being really dry and itchy. And so this shampoo, it really helps clarify my hair, and my scalp always feels really clean without it being really stripping of all the moisture in my hair. And you see I'm going in and washing from my roots. It's really important to wash the roots because that's where the most buildup can be. And I don't really, go down the hair shaft or anything like that. I just really try to get a good massaging on my scalp so that I can ensure that my hair is super squeaky clean, because if you have a clean scalp, then you will have clean hair that wants to grow. And I would just like to mention again, as I rinse this out, that my hair did not feel stripped of any moisture. It didn't feel, the feeling you get when you don't have really a good shampoo on your head. It still feels really moisturized, and my hair just loves it so much.
Lucas.
And here is how freshly washed hair looks for me. And of course, I go ahead and twist that bad thing on up into a section, because twists are the key to your wash day. Never forget it, okay? I really hope that while I am not talking, that you're enjoying the music choice. I did make it a point to feature local Black artists, because as I've stated plenty of times, I am an advocate for Black-owned business, supporting Black art, supporting Black content, and I will be sure to include the artist and their songs and all their information below in the comments.
I don't want another, just you. Got me like, what's up with me and you? You don't need no one else, it's true. Can't nobody love you like the way I do, babe. Your love's all I want, you're all I need. Putting in overtime, laying up, picking up, thinking about you, baby. Your love's all I want, you're all I need. Your love, babe, your love, babe. Your love's all I want, you're all I need. Putting in overtime, laying up, waking up, thinking about you, baby. Your love's all I want, you're all I need. Your love, babe, your love, babe. Your love's all I want, you're all I need. Putting in overtime, laying up, waking up, thinking about you, baby. Your love's all I want, you're all I need. Your love, babe, your love, babe. My pride won't let me call you, cause I'm always getting caught up in the moment with you, babe. Now we riding through the city till 3:15. Could've been anywhere in the world, but you here with me. My pride won't let me call you, cause I'm always getting caught up in the moment with you, babe. Now we riding through the city till 3:15. Could've been anywhere in the world, but you here with me. I don't want another, just you. Got me like, what's up with me and you? You don't need no one else, it's true. Can't nobody love you like the way I do, yeah. Your love's all I want, you're all I need, yeah. Putting in overtime, laying up, waking up, thinking about you, babe. Your love's all I want, you're all I need. Your love, babe, your love, babe. Your love's all I want, you're all I need. Putting in overtime, laying up, waking up.
So here's my hair all freshly washed. So I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition, and here is a homemade deep conditioner that I have from home that my mom makes. It has hibiscus in it. It's a protein treatment. And I know a lot of people may be wondering, like, why didn't I condition and then deep condition? I personally feel like that makes no sense. So I'm not going to just be doubling and tripling conditioning my hair. So that's just that on that. But here is how the deep conditioner looks on hair. It has a lot of slip, and you know, it's great. My mom's been making it for a while now, so if anyone's interested in it, let us know. Here is how my hair is looking, all deep conditioned through. And so what I'm gonna do is put my plastic cap on my head and finish the rest of my shower. I will have this in the cap on my head for maybe about 30 minutes or so. So I'll be back. I'm back. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cap. The deep conditioner has been on my hair for about 30 minutes now. I do just kind of turn the water off and sit there until it's all the way saturated through my hair, because I just really don't like getting out the shower and drying up just to get back in the shower. So I'm rinsing the deep conditioner out my hair, and my hair feels really soft after using this deep conditioner. You see my hair is still really easily manageable, and I'm able to just detangle through. There's my hair. So the curls are popping, it looks moisturized, and of course, we're twisting up that section again. And I just repeat that. I just rinse out my hair, make sure it's all rinsed out, and then I put it up into my twisted sections. And so I'm gonna show y'all again in the front, or in the back rather, what I do. This is what my hair is looking like right after the deep condition. As you can see, my hair has a lot of slip. It's really moisturized. It doesn't look stripped or dry, and the curls are popping. So when I'm finished with my shower, I like to put a cotton t-shirt over my head, which is typically whatever t-shirt I had on before I got in the shower, just to kind of soak up a lot of that water. I really appreciate you all for watching my video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any wash day tips, please make sure you let me know. Like, let's have a conversation. Don't forget to follow me on the socials and check out my blog. See you guys later. Bye.